So we got another here. This is Hotpoint NSWR843C VS UKN. It says model here. Yep, doing another review of this. They have 80k to load, I think. Like, yeah, just doing a review of it. We have the doors here. It looks actually. It looks nicely. Yep, this machine has 8 kg load, I think. This is the label on that. Yes, this has an 8 kg load. It has three pedals, like 1 and 2 and 3 pedals. So we have jumping holes like 1, 2 and 3. The same, but I'll pop and wash that. I'll find WND ICTG on this one. Yep, we go 2008. Over here, there's your extraction door. There you go. Pre-wash, fabric softener, and main wash as well. These people there. It says full hand wash safe. It says 8 kg on here. So I'm gonna switch one for you. It says the end cycle. So I'll put those sheets and blankets and dryer just here. So now let's do another video of it. You got Eco 4060, that'd be too long. Says 30 minutes, I think. Yeah, 3030. You go 40 on the spin, 30 on the spin, 1200 spin, 10,000, 1000 spin, 800 spin, 600 spin, 400 spin, and off. Calf delay timer, it just goes up to 24 hours, I think. Yep, 24 hours, and then let's turn it off. But actually, you can have, and there's a key lock, you can press here. Twice, I think so. Then press a. There's a clunk set any option that says turn it off. Here. That's it. Yeah. So go to cotton 60, 40. That'd be 3 hours and 55. Go 40, 30. 3 hours 50, 20 degrees, which is what time is it now? 3 hours 40, and then off, which is going into the cold. 3 hours and 35, 60, which is 3 hours and 30. And 4 hours and 5 minutes, I think. Let me just say. And that's it. Go to C6, I think. Which is 2 hours and 55. We can set 1200, I think, 30 degrees. This does now is going to be 2050, 20 degrees, I think. 245, I think. Off 240. Then it will be 3 hours and 10. You can have extra minutes, 3 hours 22. You can have rapid cotton with 30. You have steam hygiene, which is 3 hours and 33. So it's along, then 3 hours 10. And yeah. Next is delicates on here. So you have 40, which is 1 hour 40. 30 degrees, which is going to be 135. Yep. 1 hour 30. 20 degrees, which is going to be 1 hour 30 again. Then turn it off, which is 1 hour and 25, I think. That's 1000 RPM. It's 8, 6, 4, and off. This is spin steady only. You can have excellence with 1 hour and 52. You can have rapid cotton with 1 hour. You can have steam hygiene with 2 hours and 3. And then that's it. Next one is raw 40, which is 1 second. Sorry, this is getting out of action. Right, raw 40 is 1 hour and 25. 30 degrees, which is going to be 1 hour and 25 again. And 20 degrees, which is going to be 1 hour and 25 again. That's it. You've got 800, 600, 400 off. Yeah, you can have extra rinse, 1 hour and 35. You can have, no, you can't have option on this one. Let's go to the next one. Anti-allergy, which is 3010. Have what is this? 2 hours 55, I think, so that'd be too long. You got 40, which is 2:45 minutes. Anything. Let's check. Oh yeah, 2:45. That's 800 spin, 600 spin, 400 spin off. You can no options available on this one. Spin and drain. You can have 400. All the spins, what you liked. No options again. You can have vintage spin, which is nope. You can have 40, you can have option spin, you can have excellence with 109, you can't have options available on this one. Can't have options available on this one. 125, which is good. Let's check. One 20. And yep, 125. You can have excellence. You can have steam hygiene, and you can't have rapid cotton on this one. Good. 20 degrees, which is going to be 1 hour 50. This 20, 40. Select a spin, put on the spin, no options available. We got duvet, which is for blankets and all kind of stuff. 20 or 150. Yeah, 30. You see, and you have 1 hour 40 minutes, and you have X-Men, which is 1 hour 54, which is going to be no options available. Whites. Whites 30, which is 2 hours, I think. And it can be 1 hour 50, that's okay. Whites 90C, which is 90 degrees. 3 hours, and yep, 3 hours, I think. Calf Extras, which is 3 hours 40. Calf 1 hour. Calf Rapid Cotton Steel Hygiene, which is 3 hours and 23. And got 70 degrees, which is here. 245. You can have extras at 259. You have Rapid Cotton at 1 hour. You have Steel Hygiene at 3008. Extra is 560. 230, I think. Have extras at 244. Have Rapid Cotton at 1 hour, which is the shortest. 253, which is Steel Hygiene. Yeah, Vice 50 this time, which is 2 hours, which is going to be 2015, I think. That's okay. This is for towels. When we do wash races between Hotpoint versus Indesit, DCATZ, I think. 2029, extra winners. Rapid Cotton Steel Hygiene with 1 hour and 238 at Steel Hygiene. The next one is Vice 40, which is for undies and underwear, all kinds of stuff. 2005, Calf Excellence at 219, Calf 1 hour at Rapid Cotton, Calf Steel Hygiene at 228, and 2 hours, and Whites 20, which is going to be 1 hour and 50. Calf all spin cycles, or what you want. 30 minutes wash, I think. Yep, this 30 minutes. You have 20 degrees, which is 30 minutes. You have Rabbit got it at 50 minutes, and that's it. For 45 minutes, it's going to be 45. 20, 40. Yep, 45 minutes. You cut 200 bit or main cycle or what you want. You can't have extra minutes, you can't have the options. Yep. Anti-stain 40, which is 3 hours minutes. Cal 200 for all kinds of things. So you cal 40, 32, 10, 8, 6, 4 off. Cal 40, which is 30, which is 2 hours and 55. Have 3009 and 245 again. Rapid Cotton is dehydrated. 318. 20 fan, which is this at 2:45, at 2:59, which is extra minutes, and we have got it at 45 minutes, and the other 8, which is next and last thing is mix 40. Final thing is mix 40 for dog, blankets, and sheets, and sort of stuff. 40 calf 2009 minutes, and calf 1 hour minutes, and calf steam hiding at 2:18. 1 hour for rapid cotton and steam hiding for 2:18 minutes. And that's it. And wash machine has 8 kg load, I think, with brushes made inside with holes in it. Yep, that's the interlock right there, and we don't have any screws in there. There's the label on that, and all doors needs cleaning off, I think. Nice little smell inside, nice and clean and tidy, I think. And there's the label on that, you can see, the Hotpoint service go.uk, I think, with official assistance. Alright, there's another label on that, and also it has a glass door, and that is it. So I'll see you in the morning.